Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Shariful and today I'll be discussing microwave, crucial technology in modern wireless networks. So let's get started. We know microwaves are electromagnetic waves used in various applications. This presentation will cover the following topics: its architecture, advantages and limitations, current trends and future technologies. So we know that microwaves are electromagnetic waves with frequencies ranging from 1 GHz to 300 GHz. Transmitter is a tool which generates and modulates the microwave signal. Transmission mediums such as waveguides, coaxial cables, or free space is used here. A receiver which detects and demodulates the signal. These are the basic tools that microwave uses. This technology is widely used in telecommunication, satellite communication, and military applications. Terrestrial microwave links used in point-to-point communication, often seen in mobile network towers. Satellite microwave communication used in global networks like GPS, TV broadcasting, and internet services such as Starlink. Radar systems used for weather forecasting, air traffic control, and military defense. This is mostly used in microwave ovens, which is a domestic application where microwaves heat food by vibrating the water molecules. So its advantages are it supports fast data transmission, making it ideal for high-speed internet and telecommunication. It has less interference compared to lower frequency signals. Microwaves experience minimal interference. Weather penetration. It can pass through clouds, rain, and fog, making it suitable for satellite and radar systems. So it can communicate in longer distances. So it is used in satellite networks for global connectivity. Despite its advantages, microwave communication also has some limitations. It has high cost. Building infrastructure such as relay stations and satellite systems is expensive. Requires line of sight. Signals cannot pass through buildings or mountains, limiting its coverage. Weather interference. Heavy rain, humidity, and storms can weaken the microwave signals. Microwave communication is evolving with modern technologies. Some current trends include 5G and beyond. High frequency bands in the microwave range are enabling ultra-fast wireless networks. Then we can see here satellite communication. Companies like Starlink and OneWeb are expanding wave through the global internet coverage. Medical applications. Microwaves are used in cancer treatment through hyperthermia therapy. In the upcoming days, we can expect even more advancements in microwave technology, terahertz communication using even higher frequencies for ultra-fast data transmission. Advanced radar systems powered by AI will improve autonomous vehicles and security applications. Quantum microwave technology is possible applications in quantum computing and secure communication. As microwave technology continues to evolve, it will play a vital role in the future of communication, transportation, and medical sciences. So that was all from my side. Thank you.